Whether it's solar energy, home batteries, or electric vehicle service equipment, everyone wants to know that their assets are operating at their best. But when your assets require maintenance or are offline or down, you need a quick and efficient way to get them back up and running. With tens of millions of clean tech systems projected to be installed globally in the next decade, the traditional operations and maintenance landscape has been slow to adopt more efficient and innovative ways to install, maintain, and service clean tech assets. This is exactly why we created 365 Pronto. Whether you're a business owner with solar systems or EV charging stations in the parking lot, an asset manager ensuring the smooth O&M of systems on behalf of your clients, a governmental or regulated entity responsible for delivering clean energy solutions, or even a large clean tech original equipment manufacturer with thousands of assets to swap out or upgrade, Pronto's platform arms you with a perfect made-ready solution. How exactly? We're glad you asked. With no upfront cost, Pronto assists with uploading your site locations and assets, making each asset instantly ready for attention. When one or thousands of install or service requirements arise, pre-priced work orders can be instantly generated because every asset, including its unique DNA, is already active in the Pronto platform. Pronto reads your asset and location DNA, whether activated directly or through an API, and automatically matches the scope requirements with the certification, compliance, and competence of Pronto's local and on-demand service providers. Only service providers who fit these 3 C's will receive your pre-priced work order, eliminating your compliance and cost risks. With Pronto as your right hand, you no longer engage in a search for local providers or screening technicians. When it comes to the operation and maintenance of your assets, we are dedicated to delivering a remarkable and frictionless customer experience. No more managing bid processes, overpaying, negotiating, or vetting. Only 365 Pronto offers an all-in-one solution to create work orders and track their progress, where you'll find peace of mind knowing that you're getting matched with vetted professionals at or below market price. Fortune 500 companies rely on Pronto. Isn't it time you do too? Visit 365pronto.com today and join the movement. Our world-class team is excited to help you get started.